the internet daily, and so why not let it give back to you? I present to you one of the easiest and most passive ways you can earn from the internet. You can earn money by just opening your browser.
Are you interested in getting high passive income? Do you want to be in trend and earn cryptocurrency? If so, try CryptoTab Browser, the world's first web browser for mining, with an integrated mining algorithm and a reward system, which allows you to earn bitcoins while you are just using a browser. CryptoTab Browser has the same interface and functions as the usual Google Chrome. It will be convenient and clear to use for everyone. The mining algorithm, which is built into the browser due to the optimizations, allows you to receive up to 8 times more income than mining of Google Chrome. This is the easiest and most effective way to start earning money from mining without any costs. Invite new users to use the CryptoTab Browser via your personal link and get a percentage of their mining and mining volume of the people they also invited. The referral system includes up to 10 user levels.